when we've chopped up our life dramatically in years, right? And then we have months and weeks and days, but this chop up of 1 year, now it's done, separate. I think that's really something to look at and apply your Ho'oponopono, because again, you're chopping it. What you do on December 31st isn't directly the same as when the next day is January 1st. It makes no sense. For me, it's not been like years. I understand, business, again, you have your wherever your calendar is, and then, certain events and all that, but we're on this journey of life, and it's a long pathway. Yeah. And we have this opportunity to apply Ho'oponopono in this moment. So really, Ho'oponopono it starts in the moment, and now it starts again in this moment. And it starts the experience, the one new year, so to speak, from a calendar design, this moment. But then you're in the next year, it's still another moment. It's that. And we look at ourselves, no matter if we're talking about if it's New Year or whatever, but we can look at ourselves throughout the year, called self-introspection, where we look at ourselves and say, what do I notice about myself I can clean? What do I feel bothers me? When we apply Ho'oponopono. So we have lots of ways that we can apply Ho'oponopono, but I think that's one of the big things. And like you say, it is common to have put this kind of pressure. What's the goals? But we make it be like, it's almost trying to, oh, well, never mind last year. No, last year, if you don't clean it, you take everything with you each moment, right? So we know that from Ho'oponopono. So under any circumstance, good to apply Ho'oponopono. Let's say you're going to a party, before you leave your house, your pathway around and back again, right? And when you're there, you can clean. When you come back, you can clean. But this year doesn't end. It's a nonsense. It's made up, you guys. So we get to clean with that. You didn't miss something in one day, but in the moment is when we clean. That's the precious part of it.